Okay, here's a close-up image of the spray can that we're going to be using. This is the Rustoleum Appliance Epoxy. I found something I can do, which is spray paint my appliance with this spray paint. Shake up your can and we're going to get started. Okay, so just a reminder, make sure that you cover up your space very well because I actually got some paint on my floor. And also the smell is so strong that you need to ventilate your room. So I just lift up a window and I turned on a fan. Also, before you spray paint your dishwasher, make sure that you take a picture of the labels because we'll be needing that later. Okay, so now I'm going to let that dry up for about 30 minutes and then I'm going to do a second coat. After second coat, make sure you cure for 5 to 9 hours. All right, it is the next day, so I'm just going to remove this. And remember when I said take a picture of your label? Here's the labels from the crease cut, if you can see that. And I'm just going to place it here. Okay, you guys, this is the finished touch of the dishwasher.